Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm going to build an antenna, and the radiating element is going to be in the shape of a circle. And I'm going to use 1/4 inch rod to do that, but I need to make something first that I can bend this easily into an arc to make the circle. So I want to do it cheaply. So I went down to one of my local hardware store here and bought this pulley. I'm going to use the wheels on this to make the arc, but I'm going to take this apart first. And then I'm going to mount the two wheels on this piece of 60-61 aluminum angle, and this is 1 inch by 1 inch. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill out this pin and take these little wheels out so I can use them. I'll be back in just a moment when I get that set up. Okay, I've got this set up on my small drill press here, and I'm going to go ahead and drill this little pin here so I can release it. That worked pretty good. I'll have to get a pair of pliers and pull that out. It's a little tighter than I thought. Okay, I reset it up over here in a vise, and I'm just going to take a small punch and punch that pin out. There it goes. Okay, this is what I wanted, the two wheels inside. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to mount them on this piece of angle iron, or angle aluminum. Before I do that, this piece of angle aluminum here that I cut it on my radial arm saw, and you can cut aluminum with wood tools if you're real careful. It's harder than wood, but it still works. So it has some sharp edges here. The first thing I normally do is break the edges, so I'm going to go ahead and file this a little bit, just like at a 45-degree angle. Kind of smooth it off so that I don't cut myself on it. Okay, that's good. Okay, I've decided that I'm going to attach these little wheels to this piece of angle aluminum with 1/4-20 bolts, although the hole is not the right size, so I'm going to put it in the drill press and drill this out. But I'm going to have to hold this. I don't want to hold it with my fingers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a piece of cardboard here and cut a strip to kind of protect the metal as I grip it with a pair of vice grips. So I'll just wrap it around here, cut it to about the right length, and then grab it with a pair of vice grips, which I've already got set to about the right size. Trying to get it flat on the bottom, so when I set it down on the drill press it'll be flat. Okay. A little tighter. Okay, that's good. Okay, we'll move to the drill press next, which I have set up with a 1/4 inch drill. Okay, here I'm going to drill this off, or drill the hole out. stuck there, so I'm going to have to restart. Brass, so it's a little gummy. Let's tighten it down just a little bit. Okay, here we go. There it is. Okay. Got a 1/4 inch hole drilled in there now. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is mark this for holes. I think I'm going to drill the holes, 2 holes, about 3 inches apart. So this is 5 inches long, so I'll just come in 1 inch from each end. So let me mark that with a pencil. Okay. I'm going to mark 1 inch in from each end here. 1 inch. And I'm going to take this out square so I can draw a line all the way across. And I'm going to put this at 1 inch, and I'm going to come in 1/2 inch for the center, because this is 1 inch wide angle. I'll put it in this right in the center. Okay, now that I have it marked, I'm going to center punch that so that the hole stays right in the center. Okay, I went ahead and put the piece of metal in the vise here, and I have this automatic center punch. I'm going to put it right in the center of those 2 marks. And I made a little dimple right where I want to drill. You can see that. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'll drill that. Probably what I'll do is I'll drill a smaller pilot hole to begin with, and then the 1/4 inch drill. Okay, I'm set up now to drill the pilot hole, and I put a couple of pieces of wood on here so that the lip on this can hang over, so it'll sit level when I'm drilling. The lip can hang over, of course, and not hit the table. Pilot holes. I'll go ahead and put the larger bit in, the 1/4 inch bit. I'll have to lower this table down a little bit so it'll fit. That's about right. Now I'm ready to drill the 1/4 inch hole. Okay, I think we're just about ready for assembly.